Hello everyone, thanks for joining in. Today I have another challenge lock that I got from my new buddy Side Picks. If you haven't checked his channel out, please go do it. Show him some love because he definitely was showing me some love with some of these challenge locks. And the maker of this lock is LockChuck and it's called Clicky. Let's see if I can get this open on camera. I did just get it open off camera, so let's see what I got going here, or what I can get going here rather. Has some really nice deep faucets in this lock. Really fun lock. Let's see here. As you can see, really nice faucet already. So I'm just trying to see if I can find pins that'll give me any kind of feedback. Mostly counter rotations seem to be the feedback I got from this. Come on. Give me some feedback, baby. Hopefully I didn't overset that. Kind of felt like I did. Let's see, I lost my faucet, but the reason it's called faucets is because it's not a real set. So sometimes you lose them, and that's just part of the process. Do do do. I got some of that back, but not the whole thing. I really don't know if I've ever had a challenge lock from LockChuck yet. I know he makes lots of them, but I do believe this is my first time at having one. So that's always a win to get a lock from a new maker. Maybe not new maker, but a maker that I haven't had a chance to play with locks from. Oh, that felt good. Nice little faucet there. Go back to the top here. feel like it just is on the verge of opening, but we'll see. Where is this one that's holding me up? Oh, got a little bump there. Oh, oh, oh well, not yet. We're getting close. We're getting, I can feel it in my bones. We've got, it's gotta just be one pin holding me up. That's my thoughts anyway. Alright, got this lock open. Woohoo! Alright, I think this came with the key. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up. Everything set aside. Alright, here's the key. Clicky. Awesome, like Phillips. That's nice. Gotta have that already handy here. LockChuck number 2, his second lock. Don't know how many he has, but I feel like I've seen his name around. Come on. Oops. Alright, shimmed nicely. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. First thing I see is a little trench trap there in the back of the lock. Let's see what we have here. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's see what we got here. Get my handy dandy tester here. So it seems like we got some over milling here in slot 2. A little something something in 3. Nothing in 4, nothing in 5, and a very nice trench trap here in number 6. Alright. And as always, I'll go through all the drivers, look up top here, and then do an up close of the pins. Just to show all the nice artwork that they did. Alright. Looks like a little gin spool on one. Got a really nice kind of spool on 2. Oh, I see some threading in there too. Alright, number 3, kind of a, I'm going to call it like a T-pin. It's not quite a T-pin. That's the fun thing with these challenge locks is these pins really don't have a, most of them don't have a real kind of definition. Oops. Alright, it's kind of a weird spool with a rounded top. That was probably playing havoc in that trench trap there. That was 6. 5 is kind of a serrated barbell spool looking situation. And then we have, last but not least, another kind of looks like a trophy. Alright, let's see what we have up top now. Duke, get down autofocus. Now I saw threads in at least one spot, so threads in 1, nothing in 2. I don't see anything in 3, but it kind of feels like there's threads in there. Definitely threads in 5. I think there's threads in 4 as well. 4. 1. I can see it. There you go. I can see there's threads in 1, 4, and 5 up top. Some nice threading there. Now let's kind of adjust the camera if I can. Zoom in a little bit, and we'll show these pins. Oops, just lost something. Figure that out later. So key pin 1 here, a little torpedo. And the driver in 1 is this kind of serrated spool here. 2, key pin standard, looks like. This is the driver. Kind of like a chest piece looking guy. Really fine details there. Key pin 2, a little nice spool key pin. Kind of a torpedo kind of knot. Oops, come back here. Kind of a T-pin here, stepped T-pin. This is the driver for 3. Key pin 4 looks standard. Driver on 4. This little, I don't even know what you call this guy. Has a little tip on there that was probably catching and causing me grief. Nothing fancy on 5's key pin. 6 key pin is this kind of serrated spool guy. Dumbbell looking guy. Lost me. Sorry about that. Key pin 6 is standard, and then this was that nice little ball that was in cahoots with this trench trap here. So you can see that was that's really nice work there. Great work, LockChuck. Appreciate it. And then also thanks for Side Picks for sending these to me. Let's see, I guess I'll go a little close up right before I close out for those that want it. So anyway, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If not, I will see y'all next time. Have a great day.